Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your remote desktop connection is appearing very slow on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. Just full screen on it. Under the computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and now expand the system. Now you just need to click on the internet communication management, and on right side you just need to double click on the internet communication setting, and now double click on the turn off automatic root certificates update. Double click on it, set to enabled, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. If you're still having problem, then you just need to disable the VPN settings. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type VPN. Comes up VPN settings, click on open it. If you have any VPNs up here, I recommend disabling them or turn them off and see if your remote desktop connection has improved in speed at this point. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.